Here we have a G80 M3 Jahre edition that came in for H&R Lowering Springs. All right, G80 M3, the hottest car for the last couple of years after the GT3 RS. You've probably seen tons and tons of these vehicles. If you disagree, you can leave a comment right now down below. Is this the second hottest car in the world right now, or is there another vehicle that tops it? Anyways, vehicle coming in for some lowering springs and wheel spacers. With that being said, let's get to work.
It's a spring, man.
Yeah, the same, so they must. It's great. I trust these guys know what they're doing though. They must do a lot of testing, like if you lower it, change the spring rate a little bit, it mimics the same dynamics. Yeah,
So got the carbon brakes just covered a little bit. So it looks like the lowering springs are installed in the rear. So he's tightening up that spot. The sway bar is going to be connected here. We're going to jump on the front. I believe the fronts are just a little bit easier compared to the rears. This car needs a bath. So when we're done with this, we are going to put it in the wash bay, give it a quick bath. And the customer had also requested that we put some paint protection film on the interior of it. So the carbon fiber center console right over there, we are going to have to add some film, protects the interior from scratches and getting all, dirty and damaged. Can't wait to show you guys. We get rid of this wheel gap. For some reason, BMWs, they love huge wheel gap in the front compared to the back. So this should level it off, give it a nice good. Did Mike mention how much of a drop?
It should be 4 inches.
4 inches off the ground. So I believe Dimitri had stated it's supposed to be about 1.5 inches or 1.4 inches in the front drop from factory. So that's significant. That's a pretty big drop. It'll look good. I think it's gonna look phenomenal. All right, guys, so what we got here is the G80 M3 that we just installed lowering springs on. Spacers did not go on the vehicle. We still got to throw on the paint protection film on the center console there, so we'll knock that out really quick. But so H&R Lowering Springs gives it 1.5 inch gap drop in the front. As you can see, you cannot even get your finger in there. It's right there, very nicely dropped. The rear end gets a 1 inch drop. So again, very nice setup. I believe, are these staggered wheels? Yeah, so you have a 19-inch wheel in the front, you have a 20-inch wheel in the back, and what I like about this setup right here is the fact that it gives it a little bit of a rake, so the front sits a little bit lower compared to the rear. So it looks totally beautiful, really nice. You get about 4 inches of clearance right here in the front, so if anybody is wondering, you do get that right there. Looks really good, beautiful car, beautiful color as well. So with that being said, pretty short video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So doing a little bit of this kind of work as well. Mike is doing phenomenal with that. Absolutely love getting cars like this in, protecting them, doing a little bit of performance modifications, making them look extremely good. So thank you very much for watching the video. We'll see you guys next Friday at 6 o'clock in the evening. We got a Porsche video coming out for you, so be on the lookout for that one. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.